Hi there, students. Remand. To remand, a verb. On remand, to be on remand. To be remanded on bail. To be remanded in custody. Okay, this is a legal word. To remand means to send somebody away from court. That's the absolute meaning of it. So maybe you've been accused by something of the police, and they take you to court, and the judge can remand you in custody until the trial actually starts. So if you're remanded in custody, you're sent away and you're going to be in prison till the court starts, till the trial starts. You could be remanded on bail. Okay, bail means you have to put down some money, and if you don't appear at court on the appropriate date, then you lose your money. Okay, so remand is to send somebody away from court. So if somebody is on remand, they are in prison awaiting trial. Yeah, remand prisoners. Yeah, okay, so normally when you're accused of something, the trial is not immediate, but it happens later. Yeah, and then you are remanded either in custody or on bail. Yeah, or maybe you're just told, okay, no, there is no case to answer, because the judge could also say that as well. Okay, so to remand, to place a defendant on bail or in custody. This happens particularly when a trial is adjourned as well. It's stopped for some purpose. Okay, so the two suspected thieves were remanded on bail by the magistrates and had to return 6 weeks later. Okay, so it's the act of sending someone either to custody or on bail for the period of time until the trial begins. You could have as well a remand hearing, working out whether the person is going to be freed on bail or if they're going to be kept in prison. There are many remand prisoners in jails all over the world. You could spend several years on remand waiting for your trial to be heard. Okay, so to remand, this is a legal word, and I would use it only really in that context. To remand used to mean to send back, and it comes from late Latin, remandare, to send backwards. Okay, so yeah, you send somebody back from the court, and that's the idea. You can actually also use remand in another legal way, is when a court sends a case back to a lower court for review or to deal with the matter. But that's more unusual. Okay, so to send a prisoner normally back to custody, it's to send him on remand, but you could be remanded on bail as well. Formality. This is a technical word, although I'm going to give it a 5 in formality because it only has one clear meaning, and therefore you can use it anywhere. Yeah, you could use it in an informal conversation. He's on remand because it means what it means. But you can also use it in a very formal document as well. Okay, so to remand somebody, the judge remands the accused, he remands the offendant, he remands them on bail or he remands them in custody. So being on remand is rather a nasty thing, just waiting for your trial to start. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To remand, on remand. a remand prisoner, to remand on bail, to remand in custody.